All right, let's start with the breaking update coming in. As per the sources, top Maoist commander Madhvi Hidma has been in fact eliminated by the security forces. He was behind 26 armed attacks, and more details are awaited on this. Top Maoist commander has been eliminated by the security forces. Let's tell you more about him. In fact, as far as Madhvi Hidma is concerned, he's the notorious commander of the People's Liberation Guerrilla Army, PLJA Battalion 1. And in fact, now we're learning that he has been eliminated by the security forces. He has been behind 26 armed attacks as far as security personnel are concerned. This is a big crackdown on Red Terror. Let me go across to my colleague Priyank, who's been tracking all the details. Priyank, tell us about the elimination of this top Maoist commander. A big crackdown on the Red Terror in the country.
Security forces operation which has been going on in the Bastar as well as the Telangana zone, and what we are getting to know that Hidma had attempted to flee away towards Telangana, and probably in an encounter he has been eliminated by the security forces. Although the official confirmation is yet awaited, that can be done when the body identification will happen. Madhvi Hidma, or the Hidimullah Santosh, was a prominent Maoist leader affiliated with the band organization, and he was from the Puravathi area of Chhattisgarh in Sukma district, where he was born in 1981, and he has been involved in a series of attacks against the security forces. In fact, the most ghastly attack on the forces of the CRPF, which had happened a few years back, he was the main mastermind. He was also carrying a bounty of 1 crore rupee on his head, and the National Investigation Agency had also, declared him the most important fugitive. Over the period of a few months or weeks, what we can say, that most of the top Maoist commanders have been gunned down by the security forces. But Hidma was certainly involved in series of attacks which has happened, which include the Bhima Mandvi murder case in the year 2019, where the NIA had already charge-sheeted him. Then you have the series of attacks in the
Absolutely. So he's behind, in fact, 26 armed attacks is what we're learning. More details are awaited on this. For the meantime, thanks so